Yep, final quick video on C5 979, November 84. So as you see, confirmed. Left and right operating really nicely. Headlights and rear light working really nicely. Motor sounds absolutely spot on. Absolutely great that sounds. Sounds exactly as it should do. This now works fine. Basically managed to actually undo this slightly and actually clean it a lot better inside. So now that's absolutely spot on inside. That now spins perfectly. So that's good, and very lightly greased with silicone spray grease. So I need to put the chain tensioner back on in a minute, because I have to whip it off to make sure it is operating fine. That's all good there. So yes, so really, the next thing really I'd say is probably just fixing the pod, and then I believe that might be this C5 done for the moment. So yeah, I'll whip the pod off in a minute and have a look at the inside later on. That'll be sort of next job to do next week, I reckon. Perfect. There we go. All looking good at the moment. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Perfect. Wow, almost. Excellent. Thank you.